Today we're looking into fractions. We're looking into what is a fraction, how to write a fraction, and how to introduce fractions to younger children. We're surrounded by references to fractions in the course of a normal day. Think about how many times we refer to half-term holidays, half day off, your glass is half full, I need half a dozen of eggs, in a quarter of a mile, oh it's a half-price sale. Recipes often refer to measurements in terms of half a cup or half a pint of milk. When we tell the time, we hear the words half past, quarter to, and in sport we use the terms first half, second half, half time. Well, fractions are all around us, and that gives us plenty of opportunities to talk about fractions during the course of a normal day. So what is a fraction? Well, a fraction shows parts of a whole unit. If we take this circle, the whole circle is a whole unit, but if I divide it up like this into equal parts, then this piece here is a fraction. It is a part of the whole circle. But it is important to note that it must be equal parts. This circle here has been divided into two, but they're not equal parts, so this is not a half. So what does a fraction look like when it's written down? Well, we have a number with a line and a number underneath. The number at the top is how many parts we are talking about. It's known as the numerator. And the number at the bottom is the denominator, and that's the total number of parts. So back to our circle, this is one part, so it would go at the top, the numerator, out of a total number of two pieces. So this is 1/2. So let's take a look at a rectangle. It could be a chocolate bar. If I cut it into two equal pieces, each piece is half of the whole bar. And if I then cut each of those pieces equally into half, as you can see here, then I have a total of 4 pieces. So this is 1/4. It's one piece of a total of 4 pieces. But remember, the pieces must be equal. So that's a brief look at introducing fractions. The next time you are slicing a pizza, sharing a cake, or having a pie for dinner, try introducing fractions into the conversation with younger children. If you're ordering a quarter pounder, ask if your child can guess why it's called a quarter pounder. When you're watching football next time, see if they know where the halfway line is. Why is it called a halfway line? If you want to test your fraction knowledge, there are a number of fraction-related quizzes on the Education Quizzes website. This is the first in a series of videos on fractions. Look out for our future videos on equivalent fractions, comparing fractions, adding fractions. Until next time.